What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this wig. I'm going to show you guys what I got in the box, bleaching process, and how I install it. So if you want to find out how, stay tuned.
Criola, 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 from Africa.
Okay, y'all, let's get into this affordable wig. Okay, people be sleeping on Amazon, so I'm gonna put y'all on. It comes with a wig and some lashes. These lashes are actually cute. This is the Kinky curly wig. It is 20 inches. It has 5 combs and it is pre-plucked, as you guys can see. It is a 13 by 4, which I think is pretty good. I wish it had a little bit space on the side, but other than that, it feels amazing. Really minimum shedding. Now to the bleaching and customization part. I use the BW2. I think every YouTuber pretty much uses it, or after that they upgrade actually. But these are my tools, and then I use 40 volume developer. And with this part, you know, I started eyeballing it. So what you want to do, make sure that it's not too runny where it's gonna over bleach your knots with it. That is exactly what happened to me, y'all. So make sure that your bleach is a thick consistency so it doesn't run. I thought it was thick enough, but your girl was wrong, okay? Because I went and started doing my thing, and I actually left it on there for a little bit too long. And when I came back, it was just a hot mess. But I was able to fix it. I just didn't film that part. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I fix over bleach knots, you know, comment down below and I will film that for you guys. Now for the pros out there, please don't come for me, okay? Please don't. Here is where I show you guys where it's over bleached. Yes, it's bad. It is really bad. And here I'm just going to show you guys how I basically fix it from bad to being back in the game. Okay, this is after I bleached the hair, and as you guys can see, I love the lace. I love it. Here I'm just going to plug the hair. Now I'm not a fan of plugging at all, so this is definitely a part that I hate doing when I, you know, customize my wigs. I'm really not a fan of plugging. But of course, if you don't know how to plug wigs, or if you are a beginner at this, you don't have to plug it. It is pre-plugged, so you really wouldn't have to do it. I just felt like doing just a little bit of tiny work to make it look a little more seamless, in my opinion. Now like I said, if you are a beginner, you definitely don't have to plug this wig. Now once I'm done plugging the wig, I went and applied a little bit of cream foundation to my lace. I actually saw that on one of the YouTubers doing that, and then the trick is to apply it on the lace in the front of it as well, and I feel like that helped me blend this lace a lot more as well. Now here is the install part. These are the tools that I'm going to use: the booster, edge control, and my little edge brush. You guys know I always make sure that they laid and really nice and laid down. I have the wig cap right here, and I'm just going to use a little bit of foundation, pretty much the same foundation that I used for the lace, to make it more seamless. Now I'm not gonna lie, when I first applied this wig, yes, I applied it twice, y'all. I was struggling, but I think I just had a bad day because I went ahead the next day and finished recording it because I got so sick of it. First of all, this lace spray, I really don't like it. I don't know how people are hyping it up. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Now if you know how to use this thing or what I did wrong, let me know, because this was really not it. This is the first day where I tried to, you know, lay this lace, and it just wouldn't lay down, and I'm not sure if it was that spray. I'm definitely gonna give it one more try. If you guys have any tips, let me know. But I pretty much sprayed it and I laid it down with my little scarf, as you guys can see, and it already looks flawless. But let me tell you something, it wasn't laying down. It just was not staying down. So yeah, this is just the beginning of the disaster that day. Anyways, here I'm going to cut the lace with this little razor, I guess, and this just makes my lace look a little bit more natural. If you do cut it with some scissors, make sure that the line, that you don't cut a straight line. Here you guys see it was lifting again, but you guys already know that story. But here you see how nicely I was able to lay it. It did not stay like that. And here this is the second day where I got myself together and tried it again. I sprayed it and laid it back with my scarf, and it actually worked. I used a different spray, so that's what I'm saying. I don't know if it was the other spray that wasn't working. Anyway, here you see the difference, okay? The water and, you know, the dusty side. Exactly. This is right after I let it sit for a little bit. I went and removed the residue of the spray. You guys already know how that goes. I didn't remove all of it, as you guys can tell, but I'm definitely going to go back and clean that part up and make sure that it doesn't look this crusty later on. I promise you. Here I'm just getting my baby hair together. It does come with baby hair already, you know, pre-cut or whatever. Here I wanted to give the spray a try again, which worked because the lace was already late. I really didn't need it anymore, but I was so, you know, eager to use that spray because I had just bought it and I heard so many hype things about it. So yeah, anyway, I'm just making sure that I remove all of the residue and the spray. Here I use what is it called, foam, to lay my edges down. I don't like to use the spray because it just makes the edges look super hard, if it makes sense, and I just was not feeling it. Here you can still see the lace, but I'm going to use the little lace spray to make it blend into my skin a little better. But yeah, I'm just laying these edges down. You can see the hair. I'm going to go over with some water again, and I added some curl moisturizer as well to get these curls popping. It feels amazing. This is the lace tint that I was telling you guys earlier to make it blend more into my skin. And yes, baby, it is looking flawless, if I say so myself. Like I said, I'm just going over again with some water, and I applied some conditioner. Was it the leave-in conditioner? I think it was leave-in conditioner to make these curls pop. And listen, it is affordable and it's so cute. It looks amazing. As you guys can see, I added some of the foam on it as well to make that wet look, but I kind of went wrong. I don't know what I went wrong with, but yeah. Here I'm just going to pretty much show you guys how it looks when I wear it in a middle part. If you guys are an OG of my channel, you guys know I'm not really a fan of the middle part, but it actually looked pretty cute when I had it in the middle. And then of course I'm going to show you guys what the curls look like when I have it all nice and moisturized and not crusty. Here I'm pretty much just gonna put it to the side, okay? That's really more my style, but both ways I really was feeling it. This wig is amazing, and if you guys liked what you see, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow this channel, so go ahead and do that, and don't forget to hit that little notification button. Thank you for watching, and this is your girl Angela, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Touchdown in your city. First thing, gotta hit her up. I'm a man, I'm on a mission, mama. Yeah, you know I'm never giving up. A couple bad ones on me now. My niggas throwing ones.